We would like to warn you against doing garage door work by yourself. This may not be a thing that an amateur can perform because it's considerably more complicated than you'd think. Garage doors are a number of work to do give you results on, and that's why professionals needs to be the only people that drive them and repair or set them up. Even when you locate a tutorial online, there's no telling if it's about the garage door you're dealing with. Let an experienced like Fancy Garage Door Maintenance Pacifica CA handle it, and also you won't need to worry about making your issues any worse compared to they already are.